Good morning students. In previous class Annonacea family is completed and Capparidaceae introduction is also completed in previous class. The Annonacea is the first family. Annonacea classification is Dicotyledonnae, Polypetalae, Thalamiflorae, Magnoliales, Annoniaceae, Annona, Squamosa. This is also completed in previous class. Annonacea is completed, and next one is the Capparidaceae family. The Capparidaceae classification is the Capparidaceae family is also Dicotyledon family, and the class is Dicotyledonnae, subclass is Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae, order Parieteales, family Capparidaceae, and genus species Clium viscosa or Gynandrapsis pentaphylla. Anyone, take the anyone example. And the Capparidaceae family, the distribution of the Capparidaceae family normally in small amount of, for example, only 7 genera is present in India. Mostly these families are mesophytic families, and these plants are herbs and shrubs. Mostly herbs, very small plants, These plants are called as herbs. And some plants are only living in rainy season also, perennial herbs, only season. For example Clium viscosa, this is a rainy season plant, only 3 months living on earth. After that, next rainy season the plants are germinate. And this is the Capparidaceae family. And the Capparidaceae family, the vegetative characters of the examples of the Capparidaceae family: Clium viscosa, Clium gynandra, the Cadaba trifolia, Cadaba indica, different types of example. Gynandrapsis, these are the examples of the Capparidaceae family. And the next one is habitat and habitat of the family, mostly mesophytes and the small plants, herbs and shrubs. Only the Creteva is a medium tree. And next one is vegetative characters of the Capparidaceae. Vegetative characters of the Capparidaceae. The root system is taproot system. And branched. And next one is the stem is smooth and herbaceous stem. Sometimes hair-like structures are also present on stem. Branched, herbaceous, branched. Sometimes hair-like structures are also present on stem. And green color, herbaceous and green color stem. And next one is leaf. Leaf is normally the simple leaf or compound leaf. Simple leaves or compound leaves are also present. In this Capparidaceae family, the compound leaves are palmately compound leaves. For example, this is a palmately compound leaf. This is pentafoliate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaflets are present. 3 to 5 leaflets are present. 3 to 5. Trifoliate, tetrafoliate or pentafoliate. Palmately compound leaves are present. And these palmately compound leaves are present, and these palmately compound leaves are trifoliate or tetrafoliate or pentafoliate. Mostly trifoliate or pentafoliate. Tri or pentafoliate. Tri or pentafoliate. Trifoliate or pentafoliate. And the compound leaves, pinnately, palmately compound leaves are also present. And the stipulates or exstipulates, stipules are present or stipules are absent. This is a leaf. Stipules are present or stipules are absent. And sometimes the stipules are also the spiny like structures. Stipules forms the spiny like structures. 3 to 5 leaflets are present, and stipulate or exstipulate. Stipulate or exstipulate. Stipulate or exstipulate. And next one is the inflorescence of the Capparidaceae family. Inflorescence. Inflorescence of the Capparidaceae family. Normally the flowers are the inflorescence of the Capparidaceae family. The inflorescence, flower characters, the inflorescence of the Capparidaceae family. Normally the flowers are axillary flowers. Flowers are axillary flowers. Flowers are normally axillary or sometimes terminal. Axillary or terminal. Axillary flowers or terminal flowers. And the raceme, the inflorescence is raceme inflorescence. Raceme inflorescence. Raceme inflorescence. The corymb, normally in corymb inflorescence. Corymb inflorescence. And in some type of plants, rarely, for example, umbel inflorescence is present in Capparidaceae families. Umbel inflorescence is present in Capparidaceae plants. Normally axillary inflorescence or terminal inflorescence. Axillary means the inflorescence, the flowers are arises from the axils of the leaves. Auxiliary inflorescence or terminal inflorescence, and the normally raceme inflorescence or corymb inflorescence, for example the Cleome viscosa. And next one is umbel inflorescence is also present in Capparidaceae families. Umbel inflorescence is also present in Capparidaceae family. Just like this is also umbel inflorescence. For example, this is one, and this is one. And normally this is the axillary inflorescence, axils of the leaves. Axils of the leaves, and this is one flower, and this is one inflorescence, this is one inflorescence, and this is also one flower. And this is the each flower, single flower, this is also single flower. This structure is, this inflorescence is appears like a umbel inflorescence. Umbel inflorescence or racemose inflorescence or corymb inflorescence are also present in the Capparidaceae family. And next one is the flower. Next one is flower. In flower, this is a single flower. This is a single flower. This is the habit of the plant, and normally this is the vegetative characters, root, stem and leaves are also complete, and the inflorescence is axillary inflorescence and racemose inflorescence or corymb inflorescence, or the umbel inflorescence is also present in the Capparidaceae family. In this is the one type of plant in Capparidaceae family. Example of the Capparidaceae family. In Capparidaceae family, this is a single flower. This is a single flower. Normally in this family, in this Gynandropsis, this is an example of Gynandropsis. Gynandropsis, this is a normally solitary flowers. Single flowers are arises from the axils of the leaves. This is one single flower, and this is one single flower, and this is one single flower. Solitary flowers. Solitary flowers. And next one we will see the flower. Each flower, the flower is bisexual. Flower is bisexual, complete. The flower is bisexual, complete. Bisexual and complete, and actinomorphic or zygomorphic. Actinomorphic or zygomorphic. Actinomorphic or zygomorphic. And bracteate, ebracteolate, ebracteolate. And in some type of flowers, the bracts are maybe leaf-like structures in Cleome viscosa. Bracts are leaf-like structures. Bracts are leaf-like structures in Cleome viscosa. Cleome plants. Cleome viscosa or Cleome plants. and the ebracteate, and bracts are leaf-like structures in Cleome viscosa plants, and the hypogynous flowers, superior ovary, hypogynous flowers and superior ovary, In normally zygomorphic flowers are present in Capparidaceae families. Zygomorphic flowers in Capparidaceae, zygomorphic flowers, example Capparidaceae plants. In Capparidaceae flowers, the flowers are zygomorphic flowers. This is the flower. First one is bisexual. This is a single flower, LS of single flower. In single flower, this is called as bisexual. Bisexual means the stamens are present and the gynoecium is also present. Stamens are present and the ovary is also present. This is called as bisexual. Male and female reproductive organs are present in same flower. This is called as bisexual. Complete flower means the sepals, petals, stamens, ovary, these are all present in flower. This is called as complete flower. Complete means sepals are present, green color sepals are present, petals are present, stamens are present, and ovary is also present. This is a complete flower. And actinomorphic or zygomorphic, this is a actinomorphic flower. For example, you cut the flower, this flower, and each two pieces are equal in size. If any cutting, for example, if any plane, A plane lo cut chesina kuda manaki em vastayi two equal parts. For example, this is the actinomorphic flower. For example, itla cut chesam anukondi, this is one part, this is one part, two parts are equal. For example, ila cut chesam anukondi, this is one part and this is one part, two parts are equal. This is a actinomorphic flower. And in Capparidaceae plants, zygomorphic flowers are also present in Capparidaceae plants. Zygomorphic flowers are also present in Capparidaceae plants. And next one is bracteate. Bracts are also present. ఇక్కడ మనకి బ్రాక్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి, ఈ విధంగా ఫ్లవర్ దగ్గర యాక్చువల్గా బ్రాక్స్ అనేవి కనిపిస్తాయి. బ్రాక్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ప్రజెంట్. అండ్ bracteoles are absent. Bracts are present, bracteoles are absent. Bracteate and ebracteolate. Bracts are leaf-like structures in Cleome viscosa. And these flowers are hypogynous flowers, superior ovary. And zygomorphic flowers in Capparidaceae. This is the superior ovary. Below the ovary, stamens, calyx and corolla are present. Below the ovary, stamens are present, calyx is also present, and corolla is also present. These flowers are hypogynous flowers, and the ovary is superior ovary. This is a single flower. And next we will see the calyx. Next we will see the calyx of the flower. The calyx is normally, the sepals are four. Four sepals and the polycephalous. Normally the sepals are four and the sepals are polycephalous. Polycephalous means the edges of the sepals are attached, or in some type of flowers normally free sepals are also present. The calyx consists of the four sepals and the polycephalous and valvate. The sepals are arranged in mostly 2+2. The sepals arrangement is 2+2 arrangement, and the valvate estivation. Valvate aestivation. Sepals are 4, arranged 2 plus 2. In some type of plants, 2 petals are outer side and 2 sepals are outer side and 2 sepals are inner side, and the aestivation is valvate aestivation. Aestivation is valvate aestivation. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sepals are present, 2 sepals are outer side and 2 sepals are inner side. 2 plus 2 arrangement, 2 plus 2 arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sepals are present. And next one is the corolla. Calyx. Normally the sepals are green color. Normally the sepals are green color sepals. And next one, corolla. The corolla 4 petals. Corolla consists of 4 petals. These petals are white color or yellow. White or yellow color. White or yellow color. 4 petals, white or yellow color, and the sepals covered with glandular hairs. In some type of plants, sepals covered with glandular hairs. Petals covered with glandular hairs. Glandular hairs. This is a corolla. Calyx, corolla. And the corolla consists of the 4 petals and the white color or yellow color, and this is the Gynandropsis. The petals are, this is the corolla, 4 petals are present. These 4 petals are white color in Gynandropsis. Normally in Cleome viscosa the petals are yellow color. Yellow color. The 2 plus 2 arrangement are, the normally 4 petals are equal, and for example these petals are free or they fused. Petals are free or fused, and the aestivation is valvate aestivation. Valvate aestivation. Valvate aestivation, or in some type of plants imbricate aestivation is also present. Imbricate aestivation is also present in some plants. Imbricate aestivation is also present in some type of plants, for example Cleome. For example Cleome viscosa. And this is the corolla. Corolla have the 4 petals. The color is white color or yellow color, and the some type of flowers, the petals consist of the glandular hairs are also, and the aestivation is valvate aestivation or the imbricate aestivation. An imbricate aestivation is present in Cleome viscosa, and normally the petals are gamocephalous. Gamocephalous. This is the calyx and corolla, and this is the petals. Sepals and petals. 4 calyx consists of the 4 sepals and corolla consists of the 4 petals. Green color and white color. Green color and white color. And this is the diagram of the LS of flower. LS of flower. In LS of flower, this is the ovary, stamens and the calyx. Calyx, corolla, stamens and ovary. And next one we will see the androecium. Androecium of the Capparidaceae family. Androecium of the Capparidaceae family. Androecium. Androecium consists of the stamens. Androecium consists of the stamens. The stamens are numerous. Stamens are many. Stamens are present. Stamens are many, are 4 or 6. Many, 4 or 6 stamens are present, and in Kadaba plants mainly 4 stamens are present in Kadaba plants. Kadaba plants. 4 stamens are present in cadaver plants, many stamens are present, or 4 stamens are present, or 6 stamens are present. In some type of plants only 4 stamens are present. In for example, in Gynandropsis plants 6 stamens are present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is androecium. Androecium consists of the stamens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stamens are present, or in some type of plants only 4 stamens are present. In some plants many stamens are present. Many stamens are present. And the stamens consist of the long stalk-like structure, the androphore. This is called as androphore. Androecium consists of the long or short stalk-like structure. This stalk-like structure is called as androphore. Androphore. For example, these are the stamens. These are the petals. Between the petals and stamens, the androecium consists of the small stalk-like structure that is called as androphore. In this type of flowers, the stamens are very long. Compared to the petals. Petals ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయి మనకి? petals ఏమో కిందికి ఉంటాయి. The stamens are height. Between the region of the androphore is present in Capparidaceae family. The stamens or androecium consist of the small stalk-like structure that is called as androphore. Upper side of the androphore stamens are present. These stamens are many or 4 or 6 stamens. Many 4 or 6 stamens are present, and each stamen consists of the filament. And for example, this is the one stamen: filament, connective and anther. Filament, connective and anther. Mainly 3 parts in stamen. Filament, connective and anther. The anther is the dithecous anther. Dithecous anther means the 2 lobes are present. Dithecous anthers, and the anthers are introse. Dithecous anthers, introse, INTROSE or AC. Introse, dithecous, introse, and the dehiscence is longitudinal dehiscence. Dehiscence is longitudinal dehiscence. Dehiscence is longitudinal dehiscence, and the androphore is also present in the androecium. This is a special character. Androphore is present in Capparidaceae family. In this family, the stamens are very long compared to the petals. Longer than the petals. Stamens are longer than the petals, and this is also called as androecium. 4 or 6 or many stamens are present. Androphore is also present. The anthers are dithecous anthers and introse and longitudinal dehiscence. And next one is gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of the 2 carpels. 2 carpels are present in gynoecium. 2 carpels are present in gynoecium, and this is syncarpus. Syncarpus means 2 carpels are fused. Fused means syncarpus. Apocarpus means, syncarpus means fused carpels. Apocarpus means open carpels. And next one is this is the gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of the ovary, style and stigma. Each carpel consists of the mainly 3 parts in carpel: ovary, style and stigma. In Capparidaceae family plants, 2 carpels are present. These 2 carpels are fused carpels, syncarpus means fused, and the fused carpels consist of the ovary, style and stigma. And the style is short. Style is present. Upper side of the style, stigma is present, and the ovary is superior ovary. These flowers are hypogynous flowers, the ovary is superior ovary. For example, this is the gynophore. Gynophore, the ovary consists of the small stalk-like structure that is called as gynophore. That is called as gynophore. Gynophore and androphore both are present in Capparidaceae family plants. Andrecium consists of the small stalk-like structure that is called as androphore. The gynoecium consists of the small stalk-like structure that is called as gynophore. This is the special character of the Capparidaceae family. Androphore and gynophore is also present. And the ovary is superior ovary, and these flowers are hypogynous flowers. Hypogynous flowers, and the ovary consists of the ovules. Ovary consists of the ovules, and the ovary is normally unilocular ovary. Ovary is unilocular ovary. Only one locule is present. Unilocular ovary. Ovary is unilocular ovary, and next one is the unilocular ovary, and next one is sometimes the ovary appears like a two locules appears like a two locules between the false septum is present. Sometimes the false septum is present in ovary. This ovary appears like a bilocular ovary. Actually, this is unilocular ovary, or sometimes the false septum is present in middle of the ovary. This ovary appears like a bilocular. అంటే మనకి ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది, టూ లాక్యూల్స్ ఉన్నట్లుగా కనిపిస్తుంది. 1 and 2 లాక్యూల్స్ ఉన్నట్లుగా కనిపిస్తుంది. Actually only one locule. Uni means one, only one locular. Locular means that like a chamber. Gadi antam kada manam. Only one chamber is present, unilocular. Sometimes the false septum oka addu goda laga form avutundi. Sometimes the false septum is present in the ovary. The ovary appears like a bilocular. Two chambers unnatluga kanipistundi, two gadullaga kanipistundi. Actually this is the unilocular ovary. Unilocular ovary, and the false septum is present in ovary. Sometimes this is appears like a bilocular. This is appears like a bilocular ovary, and next one is the placentation is parietal placentation. Parietal placentation. Parietal placentation, and normally the ovules are compylotropous ovules. Compylotropous ovules. Compylotropous ovules are present in ovary. This is a ovary. Parietal placentation. Parietal placentation means these ovules are attached to the walls. Ovary walls. Walls ki side ku manaku attukoni untayi. Ikkada chudandi. This is one ovule, this is one ovule, and this is one ovule. Many ovules are present. This is a andrecium and gynoecium, male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs. And next one is, this is the TS of ovary. This is the TS of ovary, parietal placentation. These ovules are attached to the ovary walls. And next one is, this is called as TS of ovary. Actually the ovary is unilocular ovary. In sometimes the ovary, sometimes the false septum is formed in the ovary. This ovary appears like a bilocular ovary. Actually this is a unilocular ovary. Locular means just like a chamber. Only one chamber is present, and the ovules are attached to the ovary walls. This is called as parietal placentation. And this is the TS of ovary, and this is LS of ovary. And next one is, this is the floral diagram of Capparidaceae family plants. Bracteate. This is the bracteate, and 4 sepals are present. 2 sepals are outer side and 2 sepals are inner side. This is the floral diagram. These 4 sepals are present and 4 petals are present. 4 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4. In Gynandropsis plants, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stamens are present. In Cleome plants, 4 stamens are present. In some type of plants, many stamens are also present. These are the stamens. Inner side of the anthers, the ovary is present. This is the TS of ovary. This is the floral diagram of Capparidaceae family. And next class, we will continue the economic importance of the Capparidaceae family.